Hyphone has delivered reliable and high-performance air tools for professional and industrial applications for over 40 years. Our brand, BOA, embodies the power, endurance, and dependability required in the world's most demanding workshops and job sites. In 1986, 2 factory sites in Taiwan and China. Both were ISO 9001-2015 certified, and in 2000 ensuring all products met CE standard. In 2010, commitment to innovation and R&D leadership. Focusing on creating ergonomic, efficient and eco-friendly pneumatic tool that enhanced user comfort while maintaining powerful performance. Develop industrial-grade grinders. The 2025 annual turnover is about $12 million. Moving forward, Hyphone continues to invest in new technologies, advanced manufacturing process. Driven by our legacy of quality, innovation, and customer-focused solutions, our advantage lies in the power of cross-strait collaboration. Hyphone has over 150 professionals in Taiwan and Wuxi. Our promise is built on 3 pillars: uncompromising quality, proven performance, and forward-focused innovation. We achieve superior quality through over 70% vertical integration. Our in-house manufacturing, assembly, and machine shops give us end-to-end control, ensuring every component in a Hyphone tool is crafted to perfection. Our commitment to quality is verified. Our factories are awarded the ISO 9001:2015 certification by SGS for quality management, and our products carry CE certifications, meeting rigorous international requirements. Our designs have also been recognized with multiple Taiwan Excellence Awards. For over 40 years, our footprint has spanned the globe. From North America to Europe and Asia, Hyphone powers the world's most competitive markets.